Understanding intellectual property, creating and protecting ideas. Imagine you spent months designing a new mobile app that helps students manage their study schedules more efficiently. You shared it online and it quickly became popular. But a few weeks later, you discovered someone else has copied your app, changed the name, and is now making money from it without giving you any credit. How would you feel if this happened to you? Do you think what the other person did was fair or legal? What protections should exist for creators like you? These situations bring us to an important concept that affects creators, inventors, artists, or even business. But what exactly it is? How does it matter? And how can it protect your ideas from being stolen or misused? Let's dive into the world of intellectual property and find out. Intellectual property refers to the creations of the mind. It can be an invention, a design, a brand name, or a literary artistic work. Types of intellectual property. Patents is an exclusive right granted for a new inventive and useful product. Three categories under patents. 1. Invention, a new and useful product or process that involves an inventive step. Utility model, just like inventions, is an exclusive right granted for an invention, but this does not require the condition of the involvement of an inventive step. Industrial design consists of three-dimensional features such as the shape of a surface of an article, or two-dimensional features such as patterns, lines, or color. Trademark is a word or a group of words, sign, symbol, or logo that distinguishes your business goods or services from those of other traders. Copyright. It protects literary and artistic works such as books and other writings, musical works, films, paintings, and other works and computer programs. Fundamentals of copyright. 1. Work of art. 2. Permission. 3. Sold, traded, or inherited. Copyright protection extends to works of artistic creation. This includes 1. Music. 2. Writing. 3. Visual art. 4. Dance choreography. 5. Movies. 6. Computer software. 7. Architecture. Under Philippine law, copyright infringement is punishable by the following. 1. Imprisonment between 1 to 3 years is a fine between 50k to 150k for the first offense. 2. Imprisonment for 3 years to 6 years plus a fine of 150k to 500k for the second offense. Third, imprisonment for 6 years to 9 years plus a fine of 500k to 1,500,000 for the third and subsequent offenses. The offending party may also be ordered to pay civil damages. Injunction destruction of the infringing goods or products can also be obtained, as well as the seizure or impounding of any article which may serve as an evidence in the court proceedings. The benefits of registering a copyright. 1. Legally establish yourself as the copyright owner of the work. 2. Legally establish the date of creation. 3. Take legal action against someone who infringes on your copyright. What is the purpose of the C symbol? It is to inform people. Fair use. It is an exemption to the rules of copyright. You can use copyrighted materials without a license only if we are using them for commentary, criticism, reporting, research, and teaching. Why IP matters to students. It protects our work from being stolen, helps us be original and creative, encourages us to respect others' work, prepares us to be honest and responsible creators. Common IP violations in school: plagiarizing essays or reports, copying images or videos without credit, using copyrighted music in projects, stealing another group's design or idea. How to respect IP in school. Cite your source properly, use royalty-free or Creative Commons materials, create your own visuals, music, and ideas. Ask permission if needed. Let us all be creative, honest, and original. Respect intellectual property, protect your own, create, don't copy. Thank you for watching this video. This is Mathic.